pancakes in 1 minute. That too in microwave. So fast and so yummy.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Here's first.
Hey Ayan. After a long time, we are going to make mug cakes. So we are going to make mug pancakes today. And pancakes are usually made differently, but these are in mug. So if you try this recipe, you will definitely like this, and you will never stick back to those normal pancakes because these are much more yummier.
Hey guys, welcome back to Mom and Zans, and today
We are making pancakes, mug pancakes. So let's get started. First, 1 tablespoon butter. Butter should be at room temperature. And now let's add 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar. Now let's give it a good mix. Now let's add 2 tablespoons of milk. There it goes. And give it a good mix. Now add 1/4 teaspoon vanilla powder. You can also add vanilla essence. Then 1/4 tsp baking powder. Now we have 3 tablespoons of maida, and we'll slowly add it in there. And also keep mixing after you put a little bit. Now we have added total 3 tablespoons of maida, and look, our batter is quite thick. And we'll also scrape off the sides and make it clean. Now let's bake these for about 1 minute. Look, it's rising now. But wow, looks so good. And it's also gonna be that good to eat. Now let's drizzle some Hershey's chocolate syrup. Hashtag not sponsored. Yummy!
yummy. Delicious.
Yes, really. I won't even stick to those normal pancakes. These are going to be much more yummier. So give this recipe a try, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.